Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by ESR. It's a protective phone cover. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the ESR metal kickstand case compatible with Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the translucent black, and you can use the kickstand in portrait and landscape mode, they say, so we'll check that out. Reinforced drop protection, $18.99 on Prime, so it's a little expensive, but it's got a good functionality. Okay, see some pictures right there, and we'll go ahead and put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, now here's the box that comes in. ESR, pretty simple boxing, superior protection, precision design, perfect fit. Normal branding on the back, 100% guarantee, satisfaction guarantee. Let's pull this out. Now, I was interested in this case because I got the kickstand. One of the things I want to check to see if how it wireless charges with the kickstand as well. Let's pull this out. But they usually make pretty good cases, okay? All right. Let's put this to the side. Now here's the case right here. It's got that trans. Now this is just has a it's not a sticky feel. It is translucent. It's got that frosty looking back. So I thought this was going to be like the one that came with the Note 20, more of a jelly type look, but this is more of a frosted back, translucent. It's really translucent, you know. This might be a little more slippery than that one. So we'll see how this fits, but this is the kickstand, metal kickstand right here. And you got your ports opening right here at the bottom, and you got your openings for your buttons right there, and you got your camera area that's finished a little bit, and nothing else on this side right here. You got a lanyard opening right there, and no branding elsewhere I see on this right here, right? So let's go ahead and get this device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put this inside and see what it looks like, all right? All right, so it fits pretty good. Again, it doesn't have that feel, that jelly feel that I was looking for, but it does fit the phone fairly well. It's a little more slippery than the one that came with the Note 20. The camera is protected there. You can see that it's raised up, so that's going to be fine. No feet on the back or anything like that, but this kickstand will keep this back off of the surfaces, so that should level things off a little bit. Now you do have some lip, not too much right there, but you do have some lip right there, and the sides come up fairly high, so you protect the screen on the sides. Screen protectors might be a challenge for you, but you got to be careful with that. The power button, all that stuff works. Here goes your charging port and your mic. Your speaker. Your mic is open right there. And you got your opening for your mics up top as well. All right, so everything fits fairly well. All right, and let's check out the kickstand. So the kickstand is pretty sturdy. It's solid. So, and you can use this in both directions. All right, so you got that angle right there, and that's more of an more angled view. Then you can turn it this way and use the kickstand on the other side, and that's more of a less angled view right there. All right. So you can use it either way. Now they say you can use this in portrait mode as well. So this one will stay up in portrait mode. The Note didn't do that. All right, the Note had some difficulty doing that, but the Note 20. But this one does stand in portrait mode, so that's pretty cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and get the wireless charger and see how that works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. We're going to put this on and see how this works with this kickstand. All right. So let's put it on flat. So it picked up no problem, and it's actually this kickstand is actually sitting on the device, and it still picked it up, so no problem there. All right. Now let's try the in the standing position and see how that works. Okay, that's another test I'd like to see. All right. Now see, it did pick up wireless charge, but you see this doesn't sit well in this position with this kickstand. So in this stand right here, it's not really sitting that well on this Samsung charger, because the kickstand is actually making the charger lean a little bit differently. All right, now if you put it sideways, it's going to pick up. All right, so That's one thing you got to. And then as for this charger right here, I'm not sure what other chargers. I'll see how that works and let you know. But I'll check that out. Okay, so this doesn't stand well on this charger right here because it's a Samsung charger, and the way it's made, it's not as flat as it needs to be. But I have tried it on other chargers that are flat but have this stand, and it does works well, no problem. It charges every time. Okay, so that's not an issue. Okay, so that was a quick look at the ESR metal kickstand case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. All right, now it's a pretty decent case. Not the jelly look I was looking for, but it does fit well, and the kickstand is great. It works well, nice and sturdy. All right, and it does work while it's charged. All right, now I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get this case. All right, now if you have any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.